Hello everyone, this is David, and today I'll show you how to do intro just like that. First things first, you need to draw such intro in Paint. Now that we made our intro on white background, we go to kdenlive and put our video samples there. Here I'll use rotoscoping to cut off anything I don't need. I'll leave only the whole logo. Then I'll use Chroma Keyer Advanced with key color as white. Let's make Dave appear a bit faster and L appear a bit faster too. So as you can see, logo is finished. Now you can move it around and enjoy. Thanks for watching.